a piece of copper to change into Toyota key. We have to add a key for Toyota Yaris. Get ready for special key blank ahead of time. If there is no this kind of blank in the box, how to get one? Buy this piece of copper. Enter the menu, generate key type. First option, flat key type. Input TOY43. Enter this option. It shows prepare super key blank. The next is how to install this super key blank on the clamp. If finished, let's compare. The left is cut just now. The original one is on the right. Let's use the one that we cut just now to cut a new key. Let's get fittings at first from original key. Please install the key that I generate. Now it become a key from super key blank, a piece of copper. Let's have a try. Try it on the ignition lock, together with transponder. Successful. Nice cutting.